Hey kids, today we'll read the digraphs, the double letter sounds. Are you ready? Let's read. T and H makes the sound V.
They.
This. Then.
There.
C and H makes the sound Ch. Chain. Chair. Church. Choose. S and H makes the sound Sh. Shoes. Should. Shake. Shine. W and H makes the sound hot. When. Who. Where. P and H makes the sound phone. Phonics. Photo. Phobia. N and G makes the sound Sing. Ring. King. Wing. N and Y makes the sound Ni. Any. Many. Honey. Rainy. O and O makes the sound OO. Book. Hook. Zoo. Pool. A and E makes the sound E. Keep. Sleep. Feed. C and K makes the sound K. Kick. Tick. Back. Pack. E and A makes the sound E. Eat. Meet. Hit. Beat. S and S makes the sound S. Glass. Grass. Pass. Mass. L and L makes the sound L. Full. Pool. Wheel. Hill. Congratulations, you are a good reader. Keep on practicing till our next video. Bye.